What's up YouTube? Katie with Rejuvenator here. Today I have my friend Gabby with me, and today we'll be cleaning a pair of our premium Air Max 1s. We're going to be using our 3-brush 4-ounce kit. So let's get started.
Yeah, buddy. Okay, so first step, you're going to grab your shoe trees, grab them, and you're going to set them to the appropriate size so it fits in your sneaker of choice. Then you're gonna slide them on in there and okay, then once they are set in place, you're going to remove your laces.
All right, so the next step, now that we've removed the laces and inserted the shoe trees, we're gonna grab the laces and dip them in the solution. All right, so now that we've cleaned the laces, we're just gonna go ahead and set them aside, and then we're going to start the cleaning. The first brush we're going to be using is our soft brush.
So now that we've completed using the soft bristle brush, we're going to set that aside. As much as I love it, we gotta set it aside. We're gonna get the all-purpose brush. Yay! And we're going to dip that in there, and we're gonna use it on the midsole right here, and then the parts of suede on the shoe. Be careful, do not use it on the tongue of the shoe though. This is solely for the, you know, I don't even know what I'm trying to say. Okay, that was good enough.
All right, so now that we've used the all-purpose brush on the shoe, we're gonna go to the next brush, which is gonna be our stiff sole brush.
Ooh. So now that we've finished cleaning the shoes, we are going to set them aside to wait for them to dry. And then we're going to come back with our brass brush, and we are going to clean the nap.
We're gonna comb out the nap.
Comb out the nap. And then that's when we do the nap snap.
And we're back. So we're ready to grab the brass brush. We're gonna comb out the areas of suede on the shoe. We're gonna wanna make sure that we're only using it going one direction, and you're gonna wanna be careful so that you are not scratching any of the areas around the shoe.
Just got really quiet all of a sudden. So we just got done resetting the nap with the brass brush, and that concludes our cleaning. As you can see, they look pretty frickin' spectacular.
I do just want to point out that we did go ahead and take the laces out of both shoes, just so you can see the difference in the tongue and cleaning of it. All right, thanks guys for tuning in to watch our cleaning. You can shop the 3-brush 4-ounce kit at rejuvenator.com. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!
Bye! What's up? You guys won't take this long taking your laces out, but that didn't happen. Just, you got it.
Lather them up.
Lather.
Lather. Lather.
I'm done.
Are you done? Well, I'm not, okay? Let me have my moment. So stuck.
We're gonna use.
Okay. Never mind. So, now use our copper brush to clean the nap. And just kidding.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to put the.
All right.
Bye. Bye.
All right. I need to raise after this.